Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Hope you're ready to start trading this week. We had a lot of selling in equities last week. We did have the yen pairs that did really, really well. So let's see what we've got going on for this week. Just remember, guys, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to the video. All right, so that you're alerted when we post a new video. Okay, so welcome, guys. Welcome. All right, let's get right into it. All right, we have a lot of information to go over. We are going to start with big picture. All right, so big picture for equities. It's important that we pay attention to what the equity markets are doing. All right, we did see some selling. All right, the Dow, guys, on Friday closed. Hey, T, welcome. Closed down 260 points down on the Dow. All right. NASDAQ was down. S&P was down. Russell was up. The VIX, if you guys look here, all right, the VIX is at 20. And we've talked about this enough times. So you guys should know a VIX 20 is not good for the equity markets. All right, let me repeat. VIX right here at 20 is not good. If it continues to move higher, we're going to get more volatility in equities, which is not good. All right, so we want to be very, very careful with equities, okay? Especially if the VIX moves higher. As far as resistance on the VIX, let's bring in resistance here. All right, this is on the monthly time frame. We have big resistance here on the VIX. And let's bring that here. Right about here, which is 40. All right. Now, we are a long ways from that, 40, right? We're a long ways from that, but that doesn't mean we can spike up on the VIX like we did here, here, and here. So we need the VIX to calm back down. All right. Calm back down. All right. So just keep an eye on that. Dow on the monthly time frame. All right. So weekly time frame, guys, big pullback. All right. We came from a high all the way up here. Big pullback. Closed on Friday at $42,000 on the Dow. We got near-term support right here. So we'll keep an eye on that. If we break through that support, then we can go all the way back down to this trend line. So keep an eye on this trend line right here on the Dow. You guys know we're at all-time high territory. All this area here, all-time high territory. So the market is due for a pullback, right? It's ran up all year long. It's due for a pullback. But we'll wait and see based on the price action. We are in a good bullish seasonality. All right, so that is encouraging. We have seasonality on our side, okay? But guys, guess what? Sellers can come in at any time, okay? The Dow buy signal here broke resistance. I'm looking nicely here on the monthly time frame. So monthly time frame holding firm, all right? S&P, all right? So the S&P, guys, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback holding, all right? So S&P holding well. On the weekly, on the monthly, just amazing price action. Okay, S&P holding firm. The NASDAQ, right, struggling to break through that resistance here. All right, so resistance is here. This is the all-time high. NASDAQ weekly time frame struggling to break out. Buy signal all the way down here. All right, so amazing price action. All right, the NASDAQ, guys, made a low back in 2022, and it's been moving higher ever since. This market, all right, I'm not saying that market's going to correct, but if we see any sign of selling, all right, any red candles come in, all right, on these weekly and monthly time frames, that's going to be a major, major concern, okay? But not yet, all right, not yet. All right, so NASDAQ weekly time frame right at resistance here. On the monthly time frame, we are breaking through resistance on the monthly time frame. Buy signal here, all green candles, moving up nicely here. Russell has struggled a bit. You guys know this, all right? We have resistance right here, going back all the way to 2021. A lot of resistance here, and a bit of a pullback on the Russell. That's small caps, right? Small caps, Russell 500. Right here, it is holding resistance right here, all right? On the monthly time frame, same thing. Lots of resistance right here and failing to break through that resistance on the Russell. VIX, again, right at 20. All right, we'll keep an eye on that. The Magnificent Seven stocks. Now, they've been doing okay, trying to break through that resistance. Most of them. Tesla, guys, gave a buy signal. All right, so buy signal. We're going to call a buy signal on Tesla. All right, that buy signal came in on Friday, guys. So buy signal long Tesla, and we'll track that in Bull Master Pro, okay? Bull Master Pro, Tesla, long Bull Master Pro, all right? All right, so here we are, Tesla, guys, part of the Magnificent Seven, right? Buy signal here, perfect buy signal on a break of resistance right here. You guys see your triangle here, gapped up, okay? But the thing about these Magnificent Seven stocks, they are breaking out, all right? Trying to break out, but they're still near resistance levels, okay? So resistance is here, 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 and here is the breakout here. Perfect breakout, but remember, right, still trying to get past sellers here, resistance right here. That's Tesla, but encouraging. Buy signal, really, really encouraging there. Google, same thing here, right? We have a buy signal, but it's trapped. You see here, guys, price is trapped, right? Within a tight consolidation, good resistance here. We do have a buy signal, green candle, on Friday, all right? So we need to get to that resistance area and then break out, okay? All right, but notice how these Mag 7 stocks are just consolidating near those resistance levels, okay? And they're consolidating, not quite breaking out explosively. That is a concern, all right? So here in October, we're getting into November, these stocks should be breaking out, almost trending. They're still in a range. And these are the Mag 7s. So these stocks really define, control, all right, the equity markets. Those are large cap stocks, okay? Mega cap stocks. So if they're not breaking out, that is a concern. Not a concern to be bearish, all right, but a concern to pay attention, especially with the VIX moving higher, okay? All right, because things can change, guys, quickly. Meta, Facebook, buy signal closed, okay? So Facebook, buy signal, Meta right here. We had a buy signal here. It was moving up nicely. All right, we got a sell signal, all right, to close the trade, okay? So we need, right, if we can break through near-term resistance here, we could probably get another buy signal. But guess what, guys? If that price action on Facebook gets back below, let's say this week, it gets back below that resistance, previous resistance becomes support, that will be a concern, okay? Remember, they're in a tight range. All of these are in a tight range, okay? Next one, Microsoft, same thing. All right, so you guys see what's happening here. Same thing, tight range, Microsoft, all right? All right, Microsoft, very tight range here. All right, green candles, no buy signal, but it is, you know, getting ready to break out. Hopefully, we got green candles here, but again, a lot of resistance here, here, here. We can't even count this because this failed. Okay, so here's your range right here, all right? And this range goes back all the way, Microsoft, earlier this year, back in February, okay? So you guys see, it's not trending, all right? It's not trending like this, like it did here, right? It's stuck in a range. Pay attention to those price actions, all right? Even if you don't trade, All right, Microsoft, pay attention. Okay, Amazon, because these markets will rotate from one to the next. All right, so Amazon, same thing, guys. Buy signal here. All right, resistance is here, here, here. All right, here, and here we are here, not breaking out. Okay, not breaking out. Okay, so if you traded this Amazon all year long, guess what? Right, if you traded this long daily time frame, nothing would have happened. All right, all the way back in February. So pay attention. Pay attention. Okay, NVIDIA, same thing here. Now we got a buy signal on NVIDIA, and it broke out. So we need NVIDIA, and most of these large cap stocks, all right, especially AI, will follow NVIDIA's lead. All right, so buy signal here. Right, nice breakout, not a forceful breakout. We don't have big candles, but nonetheless breaking out. But guess what, guys? It's kind of stalling here. If we get sellers to come in, if it gets back into the box here between support and resistance, that's a concern. So we needed to hold, keep moving higher. All right, Apple, same thing here. All right, same thing here. Resistance, 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 buy signal. Green candles, but again, right, all these stocks, these Mag 7 stocks, Magnificent 7 stocks, trading within a tight range. So traders are not convinced yet, all right, that they're ready to push these stocks much higher. Okay, all right, so just be aware of that. All right, Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin still holding at 68, so still in a tight consolidation. All right, and this goes back a year now. A year of Bitcoin not doing anything on the weekly time frame, even the daily time frame, guys, not much happening there. Okay, so a lot of consolidation. Be careful with Bitcoin, Ethereum, a lot of those cryptocurrencies. You're going to see a lot of consolidation, a lot of frustration if you're trying to trade cryptocurrencies right now. You might get lucky, but overall, if Bitcoin is trading like this, it's not trading like this. It's not trading like this. If it's trading like this, guys, guess what? Right? Most of the other cryptocurrencies out there will also follow Bitcoin's lead. Okay, so nothing here. Right? The dollar. Big move. We've seen big moves in the dollar, guys, and we look at the dollar pairs. We do have a nice, healthy, big candle here on the month. All right, see here, lots of good buying in the dollar index. That's great news. All right, hopefully we'll get some follow through in the dollar. Let's see what it's doing now. Dollar index is currently up. All right, futures are up, so your E-minis are up, but the dollar is up. The dollar, we're looking for the dollar to get to 105 and hopefully break through. This will really help our dollar pairs. Support on the dollar index, hold on, is at 100, guys. Good support here, right? You guys remember this. We've been calling this. Hopefully hold support. We got a buy signal here. Buy signal came in at 102, trading at 104. Next target 105. On the big picture on the dollar monthly time frame, let's bring in some targets here. All right, so monthly time frame on the dollar index, 105 is a big number here. All right, so let's see here. So right here we had 103. All right, so high right here. We can actually bring that lower, but we'll use the high. So high here, high here. Here we are breaking that resistance. That's 103. And then we have some near-term resistance. Let's bring that right about here. So right here, near-term resistance, that's 106. And then the high is further up here. So let's see if we can get past these areas here. We can move this for now. All right, so let's see if we can get past. We don't even need this. Hold on. Let's do this. Make this easier. Boy, the dollar is very strong. Big month up on the dollar. All right. Remember, all right, if the dollar index, right, the dollar moves higher, that's generally not good for equities, okay? All right, but right now we're seeing both the dollar and equities move higher, but usually the dollar moves higher, not good for equities, okay? So we'll look for a break of resistance, all right? We have near-term resistance here. Let's move this, all right? So support here, good support here. We're looking to break through resistance here on the dollar. Again, big candle here, lots of buying, okay? Pound yen, all right, pound yen on the weekly time frame, guys. Look here, right? Green candles, we're moving higher. Here's the top of your channel right here. We look for, hopefully, for pound yen to break out of the top of the channel here. That would be awesome news. And on the monthly time frame, pound yen, we're moving higher. Look here, we're breaking through really, really good here, right? Big candle here on the month with pound yen breaking higher, and this will help our yen pairs. We can go ahead and put a target. Now, no guarantees that it will reach this target, okay? But next target, I would say, all right, probably right about here. All right, so 213, all right, pound yen. This is where sellers started before, came in before. So let's see if we can get up to that area, monthly time frame. That would be amazing. Yen in the futures market keeps moving lower. That's good. All right, that's good for pound yen and the other yen pairs. Bonds continue to move lower. All right, so your the TLT 10-year bonds continues to move lower. If bonds recapture, right, if it recapture the trend line right here, we'll let you guys know. That could be a reversal in the markets. Okay, gold, I know some of you have been talking about gold, still holding firm on the weekly time frame, kind of stalled out on the smaller time frame, but holding firm, probably due for a pullback. All right, I'm not saying it will, but this is big move in gold. All right, big move in gold, probably due for a pullback. Silver, all right, just now breaking out, is following gold. Big push higher on the break of this resistance. Keep an eye on silver. Silver's little less expensive, trading at $30 compared to gold, $30.62 compared to gold, $2,700, guys, $27.48. So usually silver will provide a better value, but the bigger move is happening in gold. The buy signal came in at $2,260 and holding firm at $27.48. Okay. All right. Forex market. Let's take a look. All right. So Forex market, we are seeing volatility come back into the market. We had some signals that came out this evening. We'll take a look at those in the yen pairs, but we're seeing volatility come back in. All right, on the daily time frame, never really left on the daily, but did leave on the 240. So we had less volatility, more consolidation on the 240. It's good to see. All right, we've got volatility coming back, and these gray guys, this gray here means these are turning, right? So they go from red to gray to yellow. This is encouraging right here. Increased volatility on the 240, and on the 60-minute about the same, but we see gray coming in here. These should turn yellow. So we've got volatility coming back in Forex. Okay. Currently, the yen pairs, guys, we're seeing moves here in the yen pairs. We'll send out those alerts. As a matter of fact, we'll take a look at new buy signals in the yen pairs this evening. Okay, the yen, if you guys look here on the daily time frame, we have a good trend. All right, all buying on the daily time frame, the yen pairs. Yen has been our best trade. Second best trade, the dollar pairs. Okay, so yen pairs. All right, we had great opportunities last week. hopefully you guys took advantage of those opportunities. Okay, so yen pairs on the daily, right? Yen pairs on the 240, and boy, are they coming in on the 60-minute time frame right now. Do we have data coming out this evening in the Asian market? So no, yes. So we've got data coming out. Elections. They've got elections in Japan. So that is probably what's pushing the price right now, the yen pairs. Okay, so keep an eye on that, guys. So best move right now, all right, yen pairs. Dollar pairs, that's your second best trade going right now. All right, so lots of buying in the dollar. Okay, dollar pairs on the 60-minute. Mixed on the 240, so be careful with those trades on the 240. All right, and on the daily time frame, holding firm. All right, still mix, guys, on euro and pound pairs. So trade those pairs accordingly. All right, trade those pairs, those groups, euro, all right, and pound, and even the Aussie and Kiwi pairs up here. So best opportunities will be in the yen and the dollar pairs. Okay, all right. On the daily time frame in equities, two areas of concern right now. On the Dow, guys, we've got a white, and we went through equities. We have a white candle that came in on Friday on the Dow. Okay, so be aware of that. White candle on the Dow. We don't have a red candle here, no sell signal to close that buy signal, but we do have a white candle on the Dow. On the Russell, the IWM, we've got some white candles here. All right, what we'd like to see that it holds the trend line and bounce, get some buyers to come on in. Okay, but that is a concern with the IWM, the Russell, small caps, and the Dow. All right, so be aware of that. S&P right over here still holding all green candles. This is on the daily. We looked at the monthly and the weekly before. All right, now this on the daily. NASDAQ holding on the daily again. VIX. All right, and here are your sectors right here. All right, we have more sectors that are neutral. All right, we have a new up right here, but again, keep an eye on equities. Okay, all right, let's go through current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper. We don't have any trades. We don't have any short trades. Okay, so no shorts right now. Okay, if you trade shorts, definitely do not short any of. You guys can do what you want. All right, and I know some of you will trade on a smaller time frame. All right, but be careful shorting the dollar pairs and the yen pairs. They are moving higher. All right, be careful shorting those. The Aussie Kiwis, you can, play with those, but your best move again is long. So no shorts currently. No trades on the 60-minute time frame. Long, we'll look for opportunities this evening in Monster Scalper 60-minute time frame, but we don't have any current positions long on the 60-minute in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right, USD Swiss, dollar Swiss, guys. We have a great trade going here with dollar Swiss. All right, buy signal here. All right, you guys know the dollar pairs are moving. Dollar pairs, yen pairs. All right, so buy signal here. All right, on a break of this resistance, good trading going here. We did have some white candles here, but no concern. All right, buyers came back in. All right, so be careful closing your trades on these white candles, guys. Okay, that's an area where prices, they're taking a break. All right, so buy signal here, reaccumulation could have added here. All right, reaccumulation could have added here if you've been trading with us for a while and savvy with your trading. All right, new traders, be careful scaling up. All right, could have added even here, right? This evening opened up nicely, broke through that resistance, could have added here. Great trade going here. Dollar Swiss, next target. Since we're breaking through that resistance now, look here, great trade, guys. All right, that's for quite a few pips here. All right, next target, all the way up here. All right, hopefully it makes it all the way up here. So buy signal here, all green candles here. We've got some white candles, right? Now moving higher. Okay, USD CHF. All right, USD DKK, another great trade. Buy signal was here, all green candles. Again, white candles came in here. No, I talked about if you guys wanted to take profits here or even close the trade, you can certainly do that. All right, we have a lot of resistance here. This is where sellers came in after your white candle here. But this time, guess what? White candles, right, followed by buyers, green candles, and we're now breaking resistance. Good trade there. Let's bring in your markdown phase here. So great trades with the dollar. This is on the 240. And we know it's hard to stay in these trades under 240, but try to do that, guys, and scale up. Could have scaled up here on a break of resistance, scaled up here. All right, and if you're brave, right, you can certainly scale up here. USD DKK, USD SEK, another good trade right here. All right, here's your mark down, mark up. Let's draw it out. Mark down, mark up. And I know some of you guys will look at the videos, right? Review the videos later. When you do that, especially when new traders, bring in your lines, okay? Bring in your lines. Even if, especially new traders, even if you're not trading that pair, follow along, right? This is how we learn. Follow along, all right? And so that you learn the process. Okay, so buy signal here, bought here, sold here, right? Markup phase, reaccumulation, buy signal here. All right, could have added here, reaccumulation, can actually add right here, right in here, right here, and perhaps right in here. All yellow support and resistance lines. So we are not overbought, all right, which is great. Next resistance, two areas of resistance. Let's move it up. So we have next resistance right here. We're breaking through that resistance, and then next resistance here, okay? So don't try to do what you want, okay? Follow the price action, guys. All right, it's not what we want, it's what the price is doing. So we follow the price. TRY, JPY, right? Buy signal here. We are breaking resistance, right? Mark down, mark up, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, gapped up, breaking resistance here. Very big move in the yen pairs. CAD yen, buy signal here, moving higher right here. All right, bring in your lines. New Zealand yen, all right. Buy signal here, red candle, guys, close the trade. So we'll close the trade here, New Zealand yen. If we can break through that resistance right up here, we might call it again. All right, so New Zealand yen, close the trade. If we remember, we'll call it again. Euro yen, all right, buy signal here on a break of resistance, reaccumulation. Let's bring in our trend line. All right, good trend line right here. All right, buy signal here. You can certainly gap up, right? You can certainly add buy signal here. If you got in here on a break of really good resistance here, if you got in here, certainly this is an opportunity to scale up, add to your position here on the 240. Be careful scaling up on the 60-minute time frame. All right, all right. Because usually, guys, that 60-minute time frame doesn't last long, okay? Sometimes they will, but the 240 lasts much longer, give you opportunity to scale up, stay in the trade longer, okay? So ZAR yen, buy signal here, moving up nicely here, reaccumulation, trade there. ZAR yen, did we say dollar yen? All right, dollar yen, guys, buy signal here, breaking higher, moving higher. All right, we had a sell signal, red candle here, got back in, purple support and resistance, so we know it's getting overbought, but all green candles. Let's see if it can run further. Okay. HKD JPY, that's your Hong Kong yen. All right, buy signal here, moving up nicely here. Same thing here, red candle here. So we bought here, sold here, got back in, moving up nicely here. Okay, you can get back in after the red candles. Just make sure that you've got buyers coming back in and they're breaking a resistance level, kind of like right here. Good trade going there. Pound yen, all right, pound yen. Always our favorite when it works out, right? All right, pound yen. All right, there it is right here. Good markup phase. Very choppy in here. Bought here, sold here. All right. Failed to stay above resistance. So this trade here failed. Buy signal here. Now it's moving nicely higher. Purple support and resistance, but we got a yellow support and resistance coming in here. That's encouraging. Okay, you guys know big picture, they're moving higher. All right, so big picture, pound yen, all right, on the weekly and monthly time frame, moving higher. So pound yen on the weekly, see it's moving here higher. Buyers are in control there. On the monthly, same thing. Okay, so the hope is right here. All right, this will continue on the 240 to move higher. All right, SGD JPY, your Singapore dollar yen, buy signal here. All right, same thing here, got out on these red candles, got back in. All right, and holding firm. All right, nice gap up this evening. And Swiss yen. All right, Swiss yen, same thing, guys. All right, buy signal came in right here, broke resistance, decent trading. All right, good markdown phase right in here. And we are moving higher. All right. Markup phase, buy signal here, sold here, reaccumulation, sold here, another buy signal. So just great trading with the yen pairs on the 240. Curious to see what we'll find on the 60-minute. Okay. Finally, we've talked about this Forex dominator daily time frame. Guys, we've got some really good trades going. These are big macro trades on the daily time frame. Hold on. All right, let's take a look at those. And it's been a while since we've seen really good trades in Forex dominator. But boy, when they happen, it's good. Okay. All right. So daily time frame long Forex dominator. Let's take a look at those trades. Let's open it up here. And we're long the dollar, long the yen. In Forex dominator. Okay. All right, USD Swiss, dollar Swiss, guys, buy signal here, moving nicely here. Good markdown phase. We can remove this. All right. All right, USD SGD. All right, same thing, guys. Good markdown phase, buy signal. Look at that. We are moving higher. All right. All right, dollar CAD, buy signal here. We are breaking out of that resistance right here. We're breaking out. Buy signal here, breaking out nicely. Good pips. All right, USD PLN. All right, let's bring this in. So these are your dollar pairs. Remember, your best trade right now. Right now, things will change, but for right now, right, we're following the trend following. All right, so dollar pairs and yen pairs. USD PLN. USD CZK, buy signal here, looking to break through that resistance there. USD DKK, good setup here. Markdown phase, buy signal, we are moving higher. Resistance is right here. Let it run. USD SEK, buy signal here, right? Target is here. We have some near-term targets. So if you guys want to put a near-term target here, again, this is on the daily time frame. We know that's a big trading window there, but we do have resistance, right? Previous support becomes resistance here, here, and obviously up here. Buy signal here, moving up slowly there. USD HUF, buy signal here. We are breaking through resistance. Nice range trade, all right? So this is a range trade, but we are breaking resistance, all right? We have a lot of daylight in here. So sellers are here, 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 and here. Buy signal here. We are breaking out, but we don't have any resistance, guys. Okay, so hopefully it keeps moving higher. Believe it, traders are watching these levels. Okay, so it's gotten out of that long consolidation. Almost what? Almost 2 years, guys. Almost 2 years. Okay, it stayed in a tight range. Now it's finally breaking out. Hopefully it doesn't fail like it did here, 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 and here. Okay, all right. All right, and we know the dollar index is moving, right? We know the dollar index right here is moving higher. We know the big macro on the dollar, right, for the month, okay? See, notice how we keep going back and forth, guys. We're looking at the smaller time frames, right, and the big macro, right? Okay, all right, see what we're doing? Okay, big candle here on the monthly here. Hopefully that will help, all right, these dollar pairs to break out on all of the time frames, okay? All right, even the 60. All right, TRY, JPY, the yen pair. So TRY, JPY, all right? A lot of these yen pairs are coming out of a very, lots of selling deep in the markdown phase, okay? Deep in the markdown phase, and we love those trades too, right? So reaccumulation trades, we like those, but boy, when they sell off deep in the markdown phase, and we get a pop all the way back from that V, those are great trades. Okay, so TRY, JPY, buy signal here. We are moving up nicely here. CAD yen, all right, buy signal here, moving up. Purple support and resistance, just keep an eye on that. New Zealand yen, buy signal here. We have some near-term resistance. It is struggling to break through that near-term resistance. Doesn't mean it won't break through, all right? Just right now, it's not breaking through. So buy signal here, and all right, we needed to break through next target all the way up here. New Zealand yen, Aussie yen, buy signal here, right? Purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on that. So it's being overbought right here, overbought. Doesn't mean can't break through. Okay, so pay attention to your purple support and resistance in your system, but those green candles is what should give you confidence to just hold the trade, right? That's 90% of the battle, holding on to these trades, okay? That's it. Hold on. All right, until sellers come in. So Aussie yen, buy signal here, all green candles, wants to break through that resistance, okay? Aussie yen. Dollar yen, right? Nice moving dollar yen, nice markdown phase. Look at that, all right? All that's good selling. Buy signal here, moving up nicely here, all green candles. And this is just hugging the trend line, all right? We really like it when the price action does this, just moves along that trend line all the way up, all right? Euro yen, all right? Buy signal here. Resistance is right here. Broke out buy signal here. Follow your systems, guys, okay? All right, you're not smarter than your systems, I can guarantee you. Buy signal here, moving up nicely there. ZAR yen, did we say ZAR yen? ZAR yen, another good trade here. Notice how all these pairs are doing the same thing, right? Some are moving faster than others, but they're moving in the same direction. All right, ZAR yen, buy signal here. All green candles moving up nicely. Resistance is here. So as it approaches resistance, pay attention, all right, to your candles, the price action. Start getting white candles, pay closer attention. Red candles sell, white arrow sell. If it gathers in this area of all green candles, just hold on. Hopefully it breaks through. Find another leg up. HKD JPY moving up nicely here, all right. Pound yen, all right, pound yen, buy signal here. Look at pound yen, guys, right? Big mover, keeps moving higher. Look here, All right, no, it's hard to see. You got higher lows. It keeps moving higher. All green candles, okay? On the daily time frame too, guys. Resistance is here. All right, resistance is here. This is so far. This trade is for about, what's that? 500 pips. 500 pips, guys. It hasn't even moved yet. All right, if it moves, if it gets all the way up here, we're talking about 1,000 pips. Okay, so let it run. Too late to get in. Any of these guys, it's too late to get in. Okay. SGD JPY buy signal here, moving up nicely. Here is resistance here. All right, and Swiss yen buy signal here. Look how close we are to resistance here. We can actually call resistance right about here. Okay, that's where your selling started, right here, that red candle. So we'll keep it right about here. And then we have another resistance right here. Okay, right here. But good price action. It is a high buy signal. So that buy signal came in high right up here. But good price action. Hopefully it can break through that resistance here and move higher. Okay, so amazing trading finally in Forex Dominator. And this is why, guys, you guys know that for a long time, we did not have any opportunities. And notice right now, right, that system is moving. That's why we always pay attention, right? And if we miss the trades, right, that's it. You can't chase them. So, all right. All right. Equities, we'll take a look at equities on Tuesday. Okay, so we'll take a look at equities on Tuesday. Our stock boss traders, Bullmaster traders, Bullmaster Pro traders, go through your trades. Again, we've had some selling, all right? We had some selling last week, so go through your positions, all right? Even if we don't go through this this evening, go through your trades. Make sure you don't have any sell signals, okay? Make sure you're not holding positions and they've given sell signals, okay? All right, Monster Scalper. And then we'll end quickly with the US 30 if we have time. But I want to go through Monster Scalper so we can look for some opportunities. Okay, so we're going to look for long opportunities on the 60-minute time frame and possibly the 240, all right, to go long, right? So we're going to look for long opportunities in Monster Scalper, 60-minute and 240. Okay, so we're looking for buy signals. ZAR yen 60-minute time frame. We'll come back to ZAR yen. All right, USD JPY. So USD JPY long. 60 minutes in Monster Scalper. Okay, let's draw it out. So this is a reaccumulation trade, guys. Reaccumulation trade. And looks like it wants to form a cup and handle there. All right, so here's your markup. All right, here is your cup. All right, and not quite a handle yet. So handle would, right, we get some more consolidation in here. That would be your handle, but you definitely have your cup. This is a great reaccumulation trade. We'll see how it works out. Right, here is your high right here. Resistance, broke through, buy signal right here and gapped up. Okay, so what we don't want is for it to fill that gap. All right, but so far it's holding all green candles right here. And we know the yen pairs wants to move higher. So let's see what it does. And dollar yen, right? Dollar yen is the only pair that's part of the dollar group and the yen group. All right, and we have both moving higher. So that's encouraging. So USD JPY long, 60-minute time frame. Okay, right here. All right. Next one. SGD same thing here, right? Let's do this. Here's your markup. Here's your cup. Not quite a handle yet. We have a pullback in SGD All right. We're not going to call that yet. Put a question mark on that. SGD long 60, but we want to wait. Okay. So we'll wait. Buy signal here. Buy signal came in all the way up here on this candle, but the price is right here. We would need that price, guys, to get back above that high right here. Not really resistance above that high, but right here to get in. SGD. Okay. All right. TRY JPY. Let's go back to that. It looks good. Okay. So here. Now, guys, no guarantees with these trades here. So make sure you watch your capital. Buy signal here, gap up, especially with these stocks gapping up like this. I mean, these pairs gapping up. Okay. But they're holding. All right. They're holding. All right, buy signal here, gapped up and holding. So TRY, JPY, long 60 minute. Okay, SGD, JPY, put a question mark. All right, on that one. All right, NZD, JPY, no buy signal yet. Just hold off. HKD, JPY, long 60. And we have data too. So we have data in Japan. All right, so we have a catalyst. All right, so here's your cup. 4 minutes handle here, buy signal here. Small pullback, HKD, JPY. Okay, all right. On the 60-minute time frame. Next one, pound yen, guys. Now be careful. Always pay attention to how these pairs are trading. All right, so it's been choppy in here, even here. All right, here we are here. So if you're going to trade pound yen, just trade it lightly. All right. Buy signal here, gapped up, hold in here. Okay. So pound yen, JPY, long 60. Okay. Euro yen. All right. Euro yen, buy signal here. Someone had asked me about Euro yen. One of our traders asked. All right. So we talked about this. Wait for a buy signal. We got that buy signal right here, right? Held support. Let's remove this. All right. Too much going on here. All right. Okay. So buy signal here, and it's breaking out nicely. Okay. So I don't remember who that trader was, but so euro yen long 60-minute time frame. All right, and it's holding above. This is what we want to see with the other pairs, where they're holding buy signal here, gapped out, but holding, staying above that high. All right, euro yen. Swiss yen, same thing here. And most of these guys are coming out. Okay, so these are reaccumulation trades. Okay, pay attention to your phases. Don't just take the trade. Okay, pay attention to your phases. Okay, this is the markup phase. Here's the previous trade. And here we are, reaccumulation trade. Okay. All right, so here is your cup. All right, and 4 minutes handle there. And we need to break through that resistance here, and it's holding firm, okay? And if you look here, we get higher lows, higher highs, purple support and resistance, that is a concern, but it can certainly break through, right? Just like it did here, okay? But pay attention to the colors of your candle. That's why we have those. Swiss yen. All right, CAD yen, same thing. These are all on the 60-minute time frame. So CAD yen, CAD, JPY long, 60 minutes. Okay, buy signal here, holding firm, gapped up, and we have resistance right here. All right, CAD yen, buy signal here, came in right here, this candle holding firm. And then we had Swiss yen, let me add it, CHF, JPY long, 60-minute time frame. Okay, Swiss yen. And we have CAD yen and then Aussie yen. Aussie yen, let's see here, where is Aussie yen? Aussie yen, nothing yet, guys. Okay, so no buy signals, Aussie yen. So we have dollar yen, all right? Singapore dollar yen, SGD, TRY, JPY, HKD, JPY, pound yen, euro yen, CAD yen, and Swiss yen. Okay, so great opportunities there on the 60-minute time frame in the yen pairs. Okay, all right. Dollar pairs, dollar long pairs, okay? Dollar long pairs. All right, we're good on time. All right, SGD. So guys, notice, all right, these dollar pairs, yen pairs. If you guys are trading the euro pairs, if you're trading the euro pairs, the pound pairs, right, Aussie, Kiwi, I'm not saying you won't find an opportunity, but boy, you're missing out on some great opportunities in the dollar and yen pairs. Even if they fail, stick with them for now, okay? We'll know, right, if big picture has changed, okay? But as long as big picture is intact, right, weekly and monthly is intact, that's the trade right now, okay? That's it. All right, so I have traders sometimes that we've been trading a certain group for 2, 3 months, 4 months, and they come to me. Hey, David, is it too late? Yes, it's too late. It's too late. Okay, yes, it's too late. All right, SGD dollar pairs are nothing there. All right, USD. So USD. USD SGD long 60-minute. All right. All right. So let's take a look here. USD SGD. All right. So buy signal here, guys. All right. Nice trades going here. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. New buy signal here, moving up nicely. USD SEK. Right, bought here, sold here, choppy in here, but finally it's in the markup phase. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, holding. USD, SEK, long, 60. USD PLN, no buy signal. Wait for your buy signal there. USD NOK, buy signal came in very choppy here, but look here. All right, if it fails, just get out. No big deal, right? It has been testing this resistance level here. So bought here, failed, bought here, failed. Here we are again. Hopefully, this time it breaks out. Looks good on the daily, looks good on the 240. Okay, so USD and okay, long 60. And I think, who was it? Anthony sent out some trades on, I think it was in the Discord on USD and okay. Okay, I think it was USD and okay. All right, so USD and okay. USD MXN. right, we have resistance here, guys. Previous trade did okay. Choppy in here. This is where these trades failed here. Here we are testing it again. So we're going to call it, this is one where you would put just a small, very small trade, hoping that it breaks through that resistance. So we'll call it, but trade that very lightly. USD MXN long 60. All right. Dollar Swiss, same thing here. Bit choppy. USD HUF, buy signal here. A bit of a pullback, but we know what the dollar index is doing, okay? So we know the dollar index, right, is moving higher. That will help the dollar pairs. All right, it is moving higher, but it is choppy. Boy, is it choppy, right? Very choppy, small trades. So just be careful. When you guys see trades like this, yeah, you can trade it, but just put a minimum amount of capital, okay? USD HUF. Long, 60 minute. Okay. All right. I will wait on this one, nothing here. DKK, no buy signal yet. Oh. USD CZK has been very difficult. All right, so we'll pass on this one here. Very difficult trading here. You guys can see that there. Okay, has a buy signal, but very difficult trading. USD CNH, USD CNH long 60. All right, and we are breaking resistance here, and it's got decent price action here. Okay, so we're breaking resistance. Price form the triangle up at the top here. All right, so here's your triangle right here. Right, price got squeezed. The buy signal breaking through that resistance there. Okay, dollar Swiss. Another breakout trade here. Here's your resistance. All right, we know it's moving higher. There's your upward trend line. All right, so broke the resistance. Buy signal right here. Perfect break, guys, on a buy signal right here. Moving up nicely, dollar Swiss. So USD, CHF, long, 60. Okay, all right, almost done. Dollar CAD, right? Dollar CAD. Did we call dollar CAD? No, dollar CAD, same thing, guys. Right? Broke resistance, buy signal here, and it is breaking out. This is where it failed before, right here, right here. Remember, small losses. We want small losses, big wins. All right, big wins. So don't be afraid to take those losses. Look at there, big wins. Right? Small losses, big wins. All right, we are going to have losses and we are going to have winning trades. We want small losses and big wins. Okay, buy signal here, and it is breaking out 240. Look at that, 240. And daily looks really, really good. Okay, all right. Now, we did miss some trades on the 240. Let's see if we can find some. And I promise, guys, we'll be done. Remember to go ahead and like, subscribe. Okay, like the videos, subscribe, and share. All right, 240, ZAR Yen. All right, ZAR Yen, or Win ZAR Yen. Win ZAR Yen already. All right, USD JPY, we're in that already, 240. We're looking for new opportunities. All right. New buy signals. New Zealand yen. Did we get out of that? So New Zealand yen. All right. So New Zealand yen. NZD. This is what we're looking for, guys. So if you look here, New Zealand yen on the 240, give a red candle right here. So we should be out. But look here. Buyers are coming back in. green candle here. We have a buy signal here, okay? And we're breaking through. We're not breaking through, but we do have resistance here. So we're going to call this again. So New Zealand yen on the 240. NZD, I want to spend some time in Monster Scalper this evening. So NZD, JPY long, 240. And we'll send these alerts out to our Monster Scalper traders, okay? So NZD. So if you're not on here, you'll get these alerts. All right, that's working fine. Pound yen, we're ready in that. Euro yen, we're ready in that. Swiss yen. Swiss yen, we're ready in that. CAD yen, we're ready in that. Aussie yen, we're not in Aussie yen. Wait on Aussie yen, guys. On the 240, we need buyers. We need a green candle. All right, keep an eye on it. All right, now dollar pairs. So on the 240. All right, SGD JPY, we missed this trade, guys. Beautiful trade going there. USD SEK, we're in that one. But we did miss a few dollar pairs. USD PLN, amazing trade going here on the 240. We missed that one. USD NOK, another good trade. We missed that one. We missed quite a few trades. Nothing here, no buy signal here. USD HUF, another one we missed there. All right, USD DKK, great trade here. We did catch that one. USD buy signal here, moving up nicely. Let's move this here. All right, so we got out here. You can get back in. Buyers are coming back in there. That was a red candle there. USD CNH, USD CNH. All right, that's a new one here. We got a sell signal here. Great trade. Bought here, sold here. Here's your markdown phase. We have a buy signal just came in this evening. So USD. All right, CNH long. Monster Scalper 240. All right. We have lots of trades, guys. So dollar and pound and yen pairs. Okay. Dollar Swiss, we're in that one. All right, so we did catch a few. All right, dollar Swiss, and then dollar CAD. This is another one we missed on the 240. Okay, we caught most of them on the daily, but we missed a few on the 240. So USD, all right, CAD 240, beautiful trade going here. Look at that, guys, for lots of pips here. Okay, all right. And these will run, when we catch a trend like this, they will run quite a bit, okay? Almost 30 days of run time on those, all right? So good trade going here. Week on the daily and weekly, they're also breaking out, okay? So our Monster Scalper traders, you guys have tons of opportunities, okay? All right, so the news, no news this evening except for they have elections. We'll have elections coming up soon here, but they've got their election, so that will help the yen pairs. Okay, we'll see. All right, we'll see what happens in the London session here. Okay, but right now they've gapped up, they're moving higher. The top yen pair. Hold on here. The top yen pair is TRY JPY 0.7. It's really 73% up. Okay, so roughly 73 pips. And then CAD yen, New Zealand yen, all the yen pairs are leading right now. Aussie yen, Euro yen, dollar yen, Hong Kong yen, all the yen pairs are leading right now. Okay, so that's what they're buying right now. Okay, we'll keep an eye on equities this week. Right. Keep an eye on our stock boss traders, Bullmaster traders, Bullmaster Pro traders. Really pay attention to your trades. Okay. Now we didn't go through current equity positions, but if you guys are trading equities with your system, pay attention to your current trades. Okay, we had a lot of selling last week, so I'm sure some of those closed. Okay, guys, so thanks for coming. Remember, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to the channel, to the videos. Okay, we want to get that going so that more traders could get this information. And I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Make sure you get into the Discord. Okay, put our traders to work. Okay, put those traders to work. All right, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Okay, if you guys need me, just go on, set up a free consultation. Okay, if you need me, and I'll get with you guys. Okay, take care, guys. Have a good evening. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye.